Imagine there is a completely new method that anybody can use to make money online and get free PayPal money. And it is totally free, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below and tell me from which country you are watching this video so I can create specific videos for your region. But before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I have a new video on how to make money online. I am always sharing new, amazing and effective methods. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. I would like also to tell you this won't work for you until you watch the whole video, so keep watching the entire video. At the end of this video, I will give you an amazing tool to earn money quickly, so watch till the end. Now let's get back to the video. The first step, search for trending news, articles or blogs that many people would be interested in reading. For example, search for some trending news for some movie stars. Or search for creepy stuff or amazing facts about humans, love, psychology or anything people will be interested in. Then once you find that article, take a copy of its link. Second step, go to website called shrinkearn.com. You only need 3 simple steps. First, register for free to create an account. Second, shorten your links. And third, you will earn money. That's it. You can share your shortened links with friends or using all social media platforms which you are using daily. And stay till the end. I'll show you wonderful traffic sources that you can employ to generate those clicks automatically and hands-free, even if you have no social media following and are a total newbie. Whenever someone clicks on the link that you shortened, you will get paid, because when they click on your shortened link, they will be taken to an ads landing page where they can skip them and be forwarded to the URL you meant them to go. They don't need to sign up, spend any money, or buy anything at all. They just need to click and you will get paid. Shrinkearn.com provides the highest payouts on shortened URLs. It pays $20 per 1,000 visits. Moreover, they offer a flabbergasted 25% commission on referral revenue. Now, the amazing traffic source which I told you is Hercules.com. This is a platform that allows you to promote any link you want to thousands of people every day for free because it provides you with a whole email list. You can send a single email to tens of thousands of individuals for free every day. Now, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos on how to earn money online.